Ember, take, I don't know how many. Let's see what Ember's gonna do now. This is the box Ember came home in from the Tri-City Animal Shelter. Okay, there we go. And let's see, he has the zoomies. And he's about 3 months old. Let's see what he's gonna do. I feed him high octane food here. See, Tiki Cat, you can see what I give him. And as far as the dry is concerned, I give him this. Here's his dry. And the actual water bowl is over here because the cats don't like to drink water that's near their food instinctively. But he did it last night, though. He drank the water that was near his food. So, you know, that's the thing about cats. My other cat baby used to like to drink water outside of the food area, too. The cat instinct thing. Hey, Ember. Okay, there you go. All right, there you go. Knocking it over on yourself again. Cats like cardboard, that's for sure. Maybe because they both start with a C. C starts for cat, and then C is also the start letter for the word cardboard, so maybe that's the connection. C is for cardboard, that's good enough for cat. C is for cardboard, that's good enough for cat. C is for cardboard, that's good enough for cat. Oh, cardboard, cardboard, cardboard is for cat. Ember. He doesn't even have his rabies vaccine yet because he's not old enough, and then I have to get that for him next month and then license him. Yeah. You gotta get the fleas taken care of too.